So the next day, after soaking the alfalfa, I've just had them in here when I first did them, into a colander over some water. I'm going to take that water away now, and I'm going to rinse these with some clean water. And again, they will have expanded. You'll notice they would have expanded, because these ones that we're going to sprout. So we'll be eating these as sprouts as opposed to microgreens. So I'm just going to leave them over the bowl just to dry out a little bit, and then you can either use a jar like this, which is a sprouting jar, and then obviously put them in there, put the lid back on, and then you can have them on a tilt. You can get these sort of off online stores, and not a massive amount, and these sort of sit in there like that. You would need a tray underneath, because the water will leak through here. So, but if you don't have that, then just, I've been using just glass bowls. I've got some other sprouted seeds, and again you can just leave them in there, like so. I'm going to do that actually, because not everyone's going to have that. I know people do this on tissue paper and things. I'm just going to put them in there and just leave them, because you're going to need to rinse them. Again, you could do that with a colander over the top of it and leave it. I've just put them in there to show you, you know, just literally how easy it is. You could, so I've just lost my train of thought then. Leave them in the colander, but we are going to rinse them again. So they're going to need sort of continuous rinsing while they sprout. And then once they're done, we're transferring them into a bowl and with a lid on it, and then you can put them in the fridge, and eating them with, you know, they last 7 days in the fridge anyway, but they're really, really tasty. My daughter loves them and takes them in a packed lunch. So tasty, and I'll be checking in with the other way of doing it with the alfalfa when they're ready. So that is just, I'm just going to leave that on my kitchen side. And I'm probably going to rinse them again tonight. And then what I'd probably do actually, if I wasn't going to put them into here, I would put them back into a colander and over a bowl. So again, the water could drain off them. I'm just going to leave them in there for now. Probably tonight I will put them back in the colander, give them another rinse, and leave them over the bowl with a table, like a tea towel over the top of them, just to keep them dark, and just put them on the side. So that's day 2 of the alfalfa.